In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a layer to another file in Photoshop in the fastest and cleanest way possible. This is a super useful workflow if you're combining designs, moving graphics between projects, or reusing an element in a different document without rebuilding it from scratch. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open both Photoshop files you want to work with. You need the source file, which contains the layer you want to copy, and the destination file, which is the document you want to send it to. Once both files are open, go over to the Layers panel and find the exact layer you want to transfer. This could be a text layer, a shape, an image, or even a group depending on what you're moving. Now right-click directly on the layer name in the Layers panel. A contextual menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Duplicate Layer. This is the key command that lets you copy the selected layer into another file. It's a much better method than dragging blindly because it gives you control over exactly where the layer goes. After you click Duplicate Layer, Photoshop will open a dialog box. In this window, look for the Destination section. This is where you choose the target document. You'll see a Document drop-down menu, and from there, select the name of the file you want to send the layer to. Make sure you choose the correct document if you have multiple files open, because Photoshop will copy the layer into whichever file you select here. Once the destination document is chosen, click OK. Photoshop will immediately copy the layer over to the other file. The nice part is that your current workspace and layout stay exactly the same, so you don't have to rearrange anything or switch tools. The duplicated layer will appear at the top of the layer stack in the destination document, ready for you to move, edit, resize, or blend as needed. If you want, you can repeat this process for as many layers as you need. This works really well for transferring logos, design elements, overlays, textures, and other assets between projects. It also helps keep your workflow organized because you're not manually recreating the same content over and over again. So just to recap, right-click the layer, choose Duplicate Layer, pick the destination file from the document menu and click OK. That's the easiest way to copy a layer to another file in Photoshop. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.